How are you, Fatima? Yes, how are you? Fatima, I miss you, right? I miss you, Fatima. I miss you so miraculous. These days, you are. Although since yesterday, Malava, Mavani, and tomorrow, you are not responding my text messages and my. Fatima, how are you? Kana Fatima, I love you so much. I love you so much, Fatima. I want to buy you a shoe, shoes. Yes, this ones that says quack 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 quack. Fatima, Fatima, Fatima. Listen to me, Fatima. Listen. Where are you? Okay. I miraculously and disturbance. I is my feelings to you. You don't understand. I don't know why. It's the new English, Fatima. I'll call you tomorrow. All right. What do you want? What do you want this coming December? Fatima, Fatima. I'll buy you the this ones. This one we call the underground. I mean under Fendi, the Fendi.